Hello, welcome to Tech Realty Rentals. Today we'll show you how to locate, remove, and exchange your media style oil filter. A media style oil filter is a thicker one that is located right next to the HVAC unit. This type of filters needs to be changed every 6 to 5 months rather than 2 or 3, and they normally are located in the attic next to the HVAC unit. As first step, locate your attic door, pull it down, and climb up to the attic. Once you're there, try to locate the filter. They typically can be found directly beside the HVAC unit. Now, open the door to the filter cabinet. Here you can see all its information. Now remove the filter as you can see here. Here you can identify what is the model and the size for you to order a new one. Once you have it, install the new one and make sure the arrow of the filter matches the direction of the airflow. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow us. Bye!